Welcome to the ShipStation and SAP Business One template configuration video. The following video will assist in guiding you through the setup and configuration of the ShipStation and SAP Business One tasks, along with the associated staging database. You will require the Latest BPA Platform installation, the Latest BPA Platform Web Service Connector tool, the Latest BPA Platform SAP Business One tool, an operational ShipStation tenancy, an operational SAP Business One application server, and the B2C Staging Database. In addition to the software and tools, you will need Microsoft SQL Server to host the staging database, and the template assets. The BPA Platform software can be downloaded via the partner area on the Codeless Platforms website. You will require your Codeless Platforms partner logon. To download the template assets, please contact your account manager. Let's open the template folder. You will see a directory called Staging DB Setup. These scripts will need to be opened in your desired SQL server. In this example, we are using Microsoft SQL Management Studio. If you are performing a clean installation, you will require the following SQL scripts to be executed in the order shown. If you have already been working with other e-commerce templates from Codeless Platforms, then you will only need to execute SQL script 5 to generate the required tables as shown here. The config table requires a number of entries that require aligning to your own environment. In the Template Assets folder, you will see a ShipStation Staging config text file. Let's open this and copy the text. And in the B2C Staging Database, edit the config table and paste in the text. The label path can be set to your preferred location, and the email to and from allocated to your desired recipient. In BPA Platform, we will now need to create a new connection for the Microsoft SQL Server connector. Navigate to System, Tools, Data Connectors, and open the Microsoft SQL Server connector. Click Add to make a new connection called Courier Staging. Please keep the naming exactly as shown, as this is referenced within the tasks. Under Agent Connection, in General, select Localhost, then ensure you click Test Connection to confirm it is working correctly. Under SQL Server Connection, in General, select the SQL Server instance you wish to use, and enter the appropriate authentication details. Then click Test Connection. In the Database tab in the drop-down, select the Staging Database, and then click Load Cache. Next, click the Business Objects Designer tab. We will now need to import the Business Objects Designer configuration. You will need to import the Business Objects XML file, which is included in the Template Assets package. Click OK to close for the remaining dialog boxes. Within the template folder, you will see a .connection file. From BPA Platform, right-click on the Main Tasks folder and click Import. Then locate the ShipStation SAP B1 connection file. We have imported the connections used within this template, and the connections will now need to be configured for the environment. Please check the following connections. OLEDB, B2C Staging DB v3.2 database connection, SMTP email, SMTP outbound email connection, SAP Business One DI API SBO Demo GB connection, Web Service Connector Tool, ShipStation connection. Right-click on the Tasks main folder and click Import. Then locate the task file called ShipStation SAP B1.tks. A dialog box will appear asking, do you want to disable all tasks on import? We will select No, as we wish to keep the original task status. Then click OK to close. You should now see the two sets of imported BPA platform tasks for SAP Business One and ShipStation. The BPA Platform Call Task tool is used to run tasks in a set sequence. In most cases, the individual tasks can be run separately. However, the control task simply removes the need to individually schedule each of the other tasks. The call task connection should be imported from the previous import connections process. However, you will need to create a call task user within BPA Platform, as the call task tool uses a separate dedicated user. The call task connection should be imported from the previous import connections process. However, you will need to create a call task user within BPA Platform, as the call task tool uses a separate dedicated user. Within BPA Platform, under System, right-click on Users and select New User. Enter the username Call Task with no space. Select the BPA Platform Authentication radio button and enter a password. You do not need to provide or set any other options. Click OK to save the user. Next, navigate to System, Tools, Execute, and open Call Task, and then edit the ShipStation connection. We need to ensure the user we have just created is referenced in this configuration with the correct password. Click the Folder tab and expand the trees. Select the ShipStation template folder, then click OK. And in the dialog box, click Yes. Finally, click OK to close. To begin, we first need to do some configuration in SAP Business One. We will need to navigate to Shipping Types, and in the Shipping Types Setup menu, we need to enter a new value. Type ShipStation with the same title case as shown here. And then click OK. We now need to create an order. Let's navigate to the Sales Order pane by going to Sales AR, Sales Order. Create a new order and fill in the details, ensuring you have selected a customer and entered a delivery date. Take note of the order number. Now we can click Add and New. Then navigate to our last order. The status should now read as Open. Now click Copy to and select Delivery. This will give us a delivery note. We can see the delivery note is based from our order. Next, go to the Logistics tab and in the Shipping Types drop-down, select ShipStation that we created earlier. Then click Yes. The tracking information on this delivery note will be populated later by the ShipStation task in BPA Platform. Let's continue by clicking Add and New, then click Yes. We have now completed the order. Let's open BPA Platform and navigate to the SAP Business One task folder. Let's run the task by right-clicking and select Queue Now. The task will now grab the delivery note from SAP Business One and write it to the staging database, as we can see here in this table. Back in BPA Platform, the next step is to run the ShipStation tasks. We only need to run the site control task, as this will fire the following tasks in the correct sequence. It is worth noting that this set of tasks also contains error control. This will email any errors that may occur in the process. The error notifications will be sent to the email address configured in the staging database config table. We can now right-click and queue the site control task. These tasks will upload our order to ShipStation from the staging database, produce a label ready for print, then update SAP Business One with the tracking information. And that's it for this video. We have imported and configured the tasks, and then demonstrated the ShipStation to SAP Business One integration. For more information on this integration template, call us or visit codelessplatforms.com. Thanks for watching.